Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy on G by Nancy. Today I wanted to show you this Valentine's Day look. I really love it. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, so if you want to see how I created this look, please stick around. Please remember to like this video if you really enjoy it. Remember to subscribe, and remember to leave any comments and let me know what you think on the comments below. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Let's get to it.
So we're going to begin by adding a base color. You can either do white or a nude. It's totally up to you. Okay guys, so now we're going to go ahead and grab the light pink and put it on our crease. We're going to start from the outside and go in, out, and in, okay? And we're going to do that to both eyes. Okay guys, now we're going to grab the darker shade of pink and apply it on the middle and outer part of our crease, and we're going to go back and forth, okay? We're grabbing the purple and applying it on the outer V. We're going to go ahead and buff that out, back and forth. Grab the royal blue and apply it on your outer V. And just blend it out. We are almost done. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab these two colors and apply them on the lid. I like to use my fingers. It's super comfortable and super quick, and it prevents a lot of fallout. I like to apply the colors I used on my eyelid, on my lower lash line. I feel like it really helps bring in that look together. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting at the end and bringing it in. So now we're going to apply mascara to our bottom and upper lashes. Brush. I love to line my waterline with white liner. I really feel like it brightens your eyes and helps your eyes pop. I then go in and clean any fallout. My favorite part, the lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Wow, so pretty. I like to go in with a clear mascara and just brush out my lashes. So we're going to take these two highlighters and apply them along the cheekbone, and then go in with some blush. And we're almost done. We go ahead and apply our setting spray. Let that dry.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe down below. Give me some comments. Let me know what you think. If you really enjoyed it, please feel free to post it on Instagram and tag me. I'll make sure to take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye now.